Scientists decode Tonga's huge volcanic explosion. The Tonga may have formed due to lava fragmenting into minute ash particles that were vaporized by saltwater. According to a scientist, this volcanic outburst is extremely powerful. According to a recent research, Tonga's HTHH volcano may have been prepped for the large eruption that occurred in January this year after a minor eruption occurred earlier this year. According to the new study, the lesser eruption may have lowered the volcano's primary vent beneath water, allowing the big explosion a day later, which sent 36 miles of plumes of gas, dust, and ash into the stratosphere, generating a tsunami and causing a landslide to happen. The eruption wreaked havoc on Tonga's infrastructure and shut the island country off from the rest of the globe. 3,000 miles distant, the 1883 Krakatoa explosion could be heard, according to Dr. Scruggs, who conducted the new research. Because of its enormous, cone-shaped mountain's tendency for occasional major eruptions but its generally gentler activity, the stratovolcano known as HTHH has been called one of the most dangerous in the world. There were 2 seismic events reported by the U.S. Geological Survey within 13 minutes of each other on January 15, which geologists believe were caused by an eruption of the volcano. An very strong eruption raged for the first 2 hours, with activity waning after around 12 hours. Researchers, however, have discovered that the first eruption occurred on December 20, 2021. With further eruptions occurring in 2009, 2014, and 2015. Before the main vent of the volcano erupted and built a land bridge connecting the islands, the volcano was composed of distinct islands, the highest peaks of which were located on each side of the central crater. But the major vent explosion on January 14 blew this link apart, burying the vent under the sea and destroying most of the islands. It's now widely accepted that saltwater had a significant role in the enormous explosion that day. Lava may have been fragmented into minute ash particles by the vaporization of saltwater and the subsequent freezing of the steam in the high atmosphere, according to scientists. Researchers believe that this confluence of factors, including temperature change, resulted in enormous quantities of static charge separation that lit up the sky above the eruption, resulting in an out-of-this-world quantity of lighting. With experts still trying to figure out what occurred at